Now, I'm not saying that you need a pull kitchen, but I am saying that you might want one. Hey guys, my name is Dave and I'm co-founder of Motive Design, which brings you PullKitchen, and it is time for an update.
Finally.
Yeah, well, the biggest update is that I was able to poach an Apple engineer.
Where's that bonus that we were talking about?
I told you, it's coming.
Okay.
It's coming. Let's talk about PullKitchen and where we are at. We've updated our panels to the aluminum composite material, which is strong, lightweight, weather resistant, and comes in a wide range of colors.
We've also updated the drawer to be a floating drawer design, which increases the internal volume without increasing the external width of the product, and it's way better looking.
If you're like us, we hate bins.
We
really hate bins.
So we wanted to take everything that you normally put into a bin and make it organized and accessible within seconds.
A PullKitchen gives you pantry storage, kitchen storage, sink with running water, 2-burner stove, working surfaces, a cutting board, power with lights, all in an elegant integrated design. I was born and raised in Indiana. I went to school at Purdue University where I studied mechanical engineering.
I was born and raised in California, and I hate bins.
After that, I worked in Indianapolis at a manufacturing facility specializing in large machining and fabrication.
And I hate bins.
During my time at Apple, I worked on multiple generations of the iPhone, including the latest iPhone 11, which meant I spent extensive time traveling to China. But now, I get to align my passion for adventure in the outdoors and my engineering skill sets to bring you the PullKitchen, which takes the work out of camping.
And I hate bins. Now you may be like us, where your daily driver is also your off-road vehicle. And so we've engineered a mounting solution that allows you to install it as well as uninstall it in just a couple of minutes. And this solution works for a range of vehicles. We recognize without your interest that PullKitchen would have never happened. And so for that, we want to say thank you. And for our last update, we're going to be officially launching May 2020 at Overland Expo West.
So come out and see us, May 15th to the 17th. And if you aren't able to join, keep an eye out on the website or your email for future updates.
Have a great day. Thanks, guys.
Good job, buddy.